So you want to get big at home by yourself, no gym, 1 to 2 months. Look, you came to the right place. Look, I know what you're thinking. Who is this kid? I've never seen him before. Some of you have.
My name is Anthony Halkias, but most people call me Hal. These are my friends, this is what I do, this is my life, and this is my vlog. Subscribe or else you hate humans.
Run the vlog. In this video, I'm going to be telling you my 2-month plan to getting ripped, huge, fast, shredded, at home. And my plan is by like Christmas Day to be super ripped, 10,000 subscribers, jacked. And basically this is my process while we're all stuck at home, or even if you're, basically what I'm trying to show is you don't need a gym. When you're working out at home, there is no ego if you don't have a lot of weights.
Want a vlog?
Right?
No.
It's like evil. We got the mango in there, the peanut butter, the chips.
Hey vlog.
The only thing you can do is a lot of sets, lots of reps, burnouts. What I like to do every day, I choose my body part that I'm hitting. We train that to failure, complete failure, like it takes about an hour. Then I call it 30-minute overtime where we hit almost every body part, just tap it for the day.
So we're going
Louder.
We're gonna go shopping. We're going to Target.
Ah! It's on. There we go. Oh yeah. Lift up your shirt. Lift up your shirt. Marshall University. Oh yeah. Get this. Cash. Yeah, money on Miami. Oh dude, that's embarrassing.
They die for they born. I know the worst conditions make a champion. Look at my eyes froze like a mannequin. I'm underwater like I'm swimming in panicking. Body bag sealed up like a laminate. The only solution for the ops is to stay inside. How your niggas say they rock, but they don't slide. Cause we was hopping out in broad day, serving fiends in the hallway. From methazine to the morning, hope I don't wake up tomorrow. We was the type of niggas that robbed the robbers. I'ma make the chopper sing like la da 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 la da la da. The chopper sing like la da da da. Survived in the trenches, I train fasted, and my scheme is always upping the intensity. So if yesterday I went hard, I'm gonna go harder the next day. I don't take off days, and I know you can say whatever you want about that. Probably not optimal, but to me, it's when I notice my body looks the best is when I'm pushing, and I enjoy pushing, I enjoy training. It comes down to your diet. So but like the thing about this workout is you can train so hard that literally you're gonna need a lot of food. You don't really have to cut your calories. For me personally, I don't have the best metabolism, so I'm gonna eat I eat around 2,500 if I'm trying to get shredded. If I'm trying to maintain 3,000, and then bulk, of course, higher. But I'm not trying to bulk. So for the next 2 months, I'm gonna be eating 2,500 calories. Obviously, you keep your carbs, fats lower, and always increase the protein. I think the biggest thing is you come to these videos and you want to be motivated, you want to be inspired, you want to see whatever. And like the only reason you're watching this video right now is so you have a benchmark or something to look at. And this is not a joke. Understand that your body is made up of something completely different from any other person. You have to understand that if I came on here and said do 4 sets of 12, that might not work for you the same way it's going to work for me. It might not work for me the same way it works for you. You have to find what works for you. And even if you're stuck at home, dedicate these next 2 months. I challenge you to get ripped by Christmas Day. I'm in the mood for an outro, but I gotta go upstairs real quick. Alright everyone, this is my kitchen before. You know what I'm saying? A little Sunday morning cleaning. This is kitchen before. This is the current situation. Alright, now here's the after. Stop playing with me. Yeah, I got this last night. Like 18 bucks.
What?
Hello world, Merry Christmas.
Hello world, Merry Christmas. Ow! I'm upside down.
Can you edit it in a sentence?
Huh?
You can use it in a sentence. We had 100 vlogs. We're pushing 400 views on yesterday's video about your dad. Not related. Not related, huh? Give me the camera. Look.
Liven up the resurrected, dead and buried. This for niggas who ain't satisfied with secondary. This for my sisters who ain't satisfied with secretary. I'm blowing up and bitch, I'm still me. But what's the cost to live your dreams? Do you feel me? Everything glittering ain't what you think it will be. Funny how money chains and whips make me